Welcome back, viewers. Security forces have conducted a successful joint operation raiding a terrorist hideout situated in Rajouri district. Now, during the operation, authorities have also seized several weapons, including 1 kilogram of improvised explosive device, 2 wireless sets, 3 AK-47 magazines, 1 ammo pouch, along with 102 rounds of AK-47 ammunition, and even a charger. In fact, currently investigation is underway even as we speak right now. My colleague Pradeep joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Pradeep, this is of course the security forces yet again flushing out terrorists from their hideout. Give us more details about this operation, and also what was the tip-off that was received?
See, to keep anti-national elements at bay so that they are not able to scuttle the democratic process, security forces for the last few days had been conducting search operations. This time, following specific information, they conducted search operation in Azmatabad area in Thana Mandi district of Rajouri. And during that search operation, they were able to bust terror hideout. And from the terror hideout, you rightly said that they were able to recover 2 improvised explosive devices, one of the size of 1 kg, another of half kg. Besides this, 2 wireless set, some AK ammunition, and also some rounds were recovered. That means the terrorists are planning some kind of an activity. So that's one of the reasons the security forces do not want these terror elements to raise their head, because we know there's going to be a second and third phase of election. One will be the Jammu Poonch election, and then there will be Anantnag. And so Rajouri area falls in that Anantnag constituency. So they are trying to ensure that elections are free and fair and peaceful. Besides that, they also got another success where they were able to apprehend one overgrown worker. A school headmaster was working for one terror organization. From his position, also one Chinese grenade and pistol were recovered. So therefore, the 2 successful operations, one in Poonch area district, another in the Rajouri district where the hideout has been busted, and Poonch district, one overgrown worker, a school headmaster, a startling, in fact, the shocking thing that a school headmaster, instead of channelizing energy of the youth in right direction, he himself is involved in terror-related activities. So investigation in it's on. They're trying to find out who are the other people working for this person, who are the other people who work as a module in that area to revive terror-related activities.
Right, Pradeep, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there. Of course, an anti-terror operation, this flushing out terrorists from their hideout. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with all those details there. On that note, viewers, it's a wrap on this edition of the Bulletin. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Mirror Now.